Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a mood board. The first thing I would do is to choose three words, three adjectives that will tell the audience what your design is going to look or feel like. And here I already have my three words. To look up the three words, I would usually go to Google, or in this case I'm using Microsoft Edge. Haha, Microsoft Edge. Yeah, and then searching for like design adjectives, right? There's these words that you could use to describe your design. Another thing is brand adjectives list, for example. Usually Copilot has a list of similar adjectives that you can use. Once you find those adjectives, you will then find words that can explain or visualize these adjectives. So in this case, my word is dynamic or geometric. Let's say I'm trying to find a picture for geometric. I would usually go to Unsplash and then find like geometric, for example. And then once here, this is the most important thing. Filter the license to free so you don't get any copyright issues. And then look at this, right? These are all geometric stuffs that I can use for my mood board. Let's say, for example, I don't really like this one. Okay, let's say you downloaded the image. In here, I already have a grid layout and then create guides 15 by 21 fitted to the page because I need to have a title block for my class. I'm gonna include the concept statement in this. Now you can follow the grid and then drag your picture inside the grid. Fill frame proportionally. It's gonna resize the picture. Put one of your text above or below the picture, right? And then find other pictures. Another part of the mood board is to also include colors. I usually do rectangles and then set my wanted color. I'm gonna change this to a gray color. Once you're done, if you're out of ideas, you can go to color.adobe.com. Click on the explore button. My word was dynamic, right? If I want to search for dynamic, it's gonna give you color palettes that are dynamic. You can also search for certain colors like purple, gray, and then it's gonna show all color palettes with purple and gray in it. Click on it, it's gonna tell you all the color codes, and then you can, if you have a Adobe account, you can add to your library. When I go here and then I search for a CC libraries, just find them in the CC libraries and then it's gonna show you CC libraries. I can choose a folder and then the folder would have that color palette, which is not showing right now. Choose your color. After clicking it, you can click on one of the colors in this color themes and then it's gonna match the color. Well, I want the color geometric to be represented with this color, right? And then refine, I can put refine down here. Another important thing in here is to use the extract from image function. I wanna extract from this image a color theme. It's gonna load the image and then you can choose or even like drag these colors to what you want. Muted colors, for example, right? Or bright colors. This is the finished version of the mood board. Because there's already the title of the page in here, then I would suggest putting a motto or a quote here, or a foreign language. I would include these three words inside the concept statement. Yeah, if you don't want to use the three words in the mood board, you can also put them inside the concept statement and then bold those three words or four words or whatever, so that people know what the mood board is trying to convey. When you're looking for the picture, you don't have to follow these words, because what I think is good is to search for emotions or things that represent this word in another way, like refine, right? I search for glasses because I think glasses are refined. You can come up with a concept statement later after you make the mood board, but I would usually come up with a concept statement before making the mood board so I can know what to look for. I think I am satisfied with how this looks right now. So yeah, that's how you create a mood board.